In the ever-evolving landscape of modern warfare, one of the most significant game changers in recent years has been the emergence of hobby drones. These small, unmanned aerial vehicles have revolutionized traditional notions of warfare, offering a level of precision, efficiency, and accessibility that was previously unimaginable. One of the key elements reshaping warfare is the effectiveness of small and precise strikes facilitated by hobby drones. Unlike conventional military operations that often rely on large-scale deployments, hobby drones can deliver targeted strikes with pinpoint accuracy. This precision not only minimizes collateral damage, but also maximizes the impact of each strike, making them a formidable asset on the battlefield. What is particularly striking is how individuals, such as teenagers with no military experience or training, can wield the power of hobby drones to challenge heavily equipped and trained adversaries. With nothing more than basic equipment and knowledge gleaned from online tutorials, these individuals can effectively neutralize threats without ever setting foot on the battlefield. This shift in power dynamics underscores the democratization of warfare, where technological prowess often trumps conventional military might. Moreover, the ease of manufacturing and operating hobby drones adds another layer of complexity to modern warfare. With readily available components and open-source designs, virtually anyone can assemble a functional drone within a short span of time. This accessibility not only lowers the barrier to entry, but also empowers non-state actors and insurgent groups to engage in asymmetric warfare with greater agility and efficiency. Interestingly, some countries, particularly those with limited military budgets, are turning to hobbyist and maker communities to address their military challenges. By leveraging the creativity and expertise of these grassroots innovators, nations can develop cost-effective solutions tailored to their specific needs. This collaborative approach not only fosters innovation, but also enhances the adaptability of military strategies in an increasingly volatile world. Looking ahead, the semiconductor industry is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of warfare. As advancements in microelectronics continue to accelerate, drones will become increasingly sophisticated, with enhanced capabilities in navigation, communication, and autonomy. This technological arms race underscores the need for nations to invest in research and development to maintain a competitive edge in the digital battlefield of tomorrow. In conclusion, hobby drones represent a paradigm shift in modern warfare, offering unprecedented levels of precision, accessibility, and innovation. As they continue to evolve, they will undoubtedly reshape the dynamics of conflict, challenging traditional notions of power and dominance on the battlefield. Embracing these advancements while addressing their ethical and strategic implications will be crucial in navigating the complexities of future warfare.